yọ pé ẹ ṣe lọ́dọ̀ sí yín náà. Nice one. Ṣé rí níbi tí ó ya ẹ̀yẹ dé? A mọ̀ wípé ìlú Nàìjíríà náà kò sẹ́ni tó respect ẹ̀. Ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú òyìnbó náà bọ̀ kò common. Irú fídíò tí mo fẹ́ gbé wá yìí, màá kàn gé àwọn òbí kan kúrò ńbẹ̀, bọ̀ máa jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀. Tí wọ́n fi gbé lion wọnú àdúgbò, wọnú ìlú, ó yẹ kán fẹ́ kó wọn pa ni. Torí tó bá yá gan, wọ́n lè fi ọmọ, odindi ọmọ, kán fi máa feed ẹ̀.
The heavy presence of policemen and an unusual crowd gathered along Murio-Kuala Street, Victoria Island, Lagos, in anticipation of what will become of the young lion. The presence of unfamiliar faces around its den makes the cub more apprehensive, and it roars on seeing the crowd.
And I mean taking care for this lion for this compound since 2 months to now. Like me, they give them camel meat and goat meat. In the morning, 5 kg. In the evening, 5 kg. That is 10 kg every day. Now the office employ me, Yankari Reserve from Bauchi State. My organ no dey now.
Okay, but your organ they come here?
They come here.
Every day?
They come, not be every day. If they come Nigeria, they come that place 2 days, 3 days. Anytime they come in the morning, they come in the afternoon.
We tranquilized the lion. It took us a lot of time because the animal has been excited because of the crowd, and then we have to allow the animal to calm down. And at the end of the day, we succeeded in tranquilizing the lion.
While the Indian national, who is the owner of this large cat, is yet to turn up for investigation, those in charge of the apartment insist it is purely a residential building.
So we got the information that we needed, and we don't even waste time. So we wrote a letter, we petitioned the Ministry of Environment that we have schools around, this is a residential, this is not a zoo. So we give them the property for residential purpose, which they signed the agreements.
I told him to report, but instead of him coming down, he sent some people to us. And I've told him, I want him to come and tell us how he got this lion inside this compound.
This member of the largest carnivore family in Africa is relocated to Omuleki Conservation to join another of its feline cousins there. Hopefully, the discovery of the lion in a residential area will spur authorities to ensure that laws guiding the ownership of wild animals are strictly enforced.
Now, ìyá bàbá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, kẹ́ wo níbi tí owó tó ti wá ya yẹ̀yẹ́ dé. Owó ní kọ̀kọ̀ o. Èyí tí mo fẹ́ ní ká gbé yẹ̀wò ni wípé property Nigeria, ìyẹn lẹ máa fi mọ̀ wípé ẹlẹ́dà, èso, ẹ̀fẹ̀ dá. Property Nigeria property. Wọ́n wá tà. Kò sí account. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbogbo wa ṣe mọ̀. Ṣé bí odindi flight ló gbé wá tó fi wá gbá wa? Flight. Ó dẹ̀ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ó lọ. Ẹni tó ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn kò lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n, pépà ò gbé mọ́, àgbọ́ anything. Ìyẹn a máa fi gbọ́ nǹkan tí lady yìí tó sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré gbọ́ nǹkan tí lady yìí sọ.
Nigeria has just become that place where you think it is okay that maybe you've been accused of any kind of thing, then you now come to Nigeria, everybody will welcome you with open arms. Senator Imasue allegedly stole millions of dollars from clients in the US, and he was banned for life from practicing law. He absconded to Nigeria. That man is a sitting senator. In fact, he is the committee chair on ethics. See the title where they give him? Ethics and Public Petition. This man was barred from practicing law in the US for stealing millions of legal fees that was paid to his client, Daphne Sheffield. That is the allegation. They said Neda Imaswe admitted and he was disbarred and his name was stricken off from the roll of attorneys and counselors at law. And this decision was taken in 2010, May. He ran away, of course, and came back to his dear country, Nigeria. He refused to appear, following all the petitions that were leveled against him. He ran away and he came to Nigeria. That person today, he's a sitting senator in Nigeria, making laws that he never obeyed while he was practicing law in the US. And he's now sitting. What is even the thing is that he's sitting as ethics committee chair. Do you know what ethics is? So when issues like this are happening, and they now give somebody like a Senator Natasha a 6-month suspension and all of that, it's like before you even entered the match, you already lost that game, right? Because what it means is that for as long as we continue to have questionable characters in positions of leadership and people that are supposed to be the ones to protect and preserve, rule of laws and all of that, as long as they have questionable character, the laws will never be in the favor of the upright and the just. It won't. It means that for every time you're about to score a goal, they will shift the goalpost. So Nigeria's political system has been criticized for, of course, prioritizing loyalty and patronage over competence and integrity, leading to a culture of impunity. I've heard somebody say to me that a lot of young guys that do this Yahoo, what they do is that when they do those internet frauds and they hit it big, right, they go and take chieftaincy titles. We have examples of leaders who have been embroiled in scandalous situation, issues on corruption, abuse of power. And would I call it that? What exactly is causing it? Would it be poverty? When we have a docile citizen where you are not engaging, you're not participating in some of the political processes, we'll continue to have the emergence of leaders with questionable characters in Nigeria. Because for as long as we do not prioritize citizens' engagements, to say, what, I must continue to play my role so that we stop having the crop of leaders that we have and start to intentionally install people that will get us out of some of the challenges that we are faced with. They will continue to have things just go the same way. There's a myriad of issues that is causing it. What breaks my heart is the comfort that we think it is okay that after we've done all the bad things in this world, the best thing to go and do is just go and pick a position of leadership. Everything will go away. Because even political leaders understand this. And that's why most times when they are in an opposition party and maybe there's a new sheriff in town, they quickly jump ship to the new party so that nobody questions them. That way, EFCC will not go after them, ICPC will not go after them. It begs the question, is EFCC a political party, or EFCC is actually after fighting corruption? Because if people that are in the ruling party, political party, are not questioned, they are just kept, nobody questions them, then what are we truly fighting? Are we even fighting corruption in this country? So there's a lot to unpack in this question. But the whole idea, right, is I want to know what your thoughts are. Are we ever going to get to that time where we, right, have people with sound integrity and moral upstanding run the affairs of our country? Will we ever get there?
Mo rò pé gbogbo wa ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí Déjì sọ. Bí Nàìjíríà bó ṣe rí náà nìyẹn. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kí ni irọ́ ni a máa bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú, irọ́ náà pa. Kò lè máa rí báyìí lọ. Ẹ wo àwọn ọba, odindi ọba àti ṣé dókítà ni máa yẹn kejì or lọ́yà. Tí n bá rí fídíò yẹn mo lè gbé wá. Mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo wa la ti rí. Tó jẹ́ wípé nígbà COVID ní Amẹ́ríkà, tán fi lọ gbá ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà, tán padà wá mú wọn. A ní kò lè da ìpè kọ́. Bọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀rí tó fi ń dá wa lójú wípé yes, a wà lójú ọ̀nà wípé kí ni ẹ lè wọ́ọ̀kì. Ẹ worú aeroplane tán rà yìí.
So ẹ̀yin tèmi òun lẹ ti rí yẹn o, ọkọ̀ bàálù òfurufú ó wà nínú hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ní Ọ̀yọ́ la wà báyìí, Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin.
This is a situation we had in Lagos yesterday. Actually, the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, FAN, has come to declare that there wasn't any plane crash in Lagos yesterday. What we know today is that there is no form of plane crash anywhere in Nigeria, not in Lagos, anywhere. From the information gathered, the plane actually belongs to the Nigerian Airways. It's an old plane that were used in the 80s and the early 90s. So it's no longer in use. There wasn't any form of plane crash anywhere in Nigeria.
Ají ṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ láàrí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ mọ bí tọ́yọ́ wà, tẹ́ ẹ rò pé Ọ̀yọ́ bí abí oko kan ni, Ọ̀yọ́ èso oko òun rèé, tí ò sí l'Ábùjá, tí ò sí l'Ékòó níbẹ̀ lọ́yọ́ yìí. Mo fẹ́ fi àwọn èèyàn, mo fẹ́ kó yé àwọn èèyàn pé pé o jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá, o gbọ́dọ̀ máa fi yọgàn. Yẹ kí inú ẹ máa dùn ni. You have to be very very proud. Ọ̀yọ́, Ìbàdàn ni capital Ọ̀yọ́. So àwa ní Ọ̀yọ́ town, Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin gangan la wà báyìí. Tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi ọkọ̀ bàálù òfurufú yìí tó fẹ́ fi ṣe ń bí báyìí. Àbí tó fi ń ṣe, tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. So Hotel Supreme Continental Hotel and Resort ní Ìlọ́ra, àbí? Òun la wà báyìí ní Ọ̀yọ́ State. Àti Abuja láti wá, a máa ń document gbogbo nǹkan Yorùbá. Tó bá ṣe rí ọkọ̀ bàálù yìí, a fi ní ká béèrè pé kí ni nǹkan tí ẹ fi ń ṣe ń bẹ̀.
So, lounge ló wà nù ẹ̀.
Lounge ló wà nù ẹ̀.
Yes, na the level I set there, see whatever settings you want. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́. So ní sẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀ máa ń gba àwọn máa sọ fún wa, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ host boya bridal shower, birthday parties, whatever tẹ́ bá fẹ́.
Ṣé ó ní àwọn bíi chairs nínú ẹ̀ àbí nǹkan kan?
Chairs wà nù ẹ̀, TV wà nù ẹ̀, tables wà nù ẹ̀.
Ṣáàlì wọnú ẹ̀ ká lọ wò.
No problem.
So obviously this looks like an abandoned aircraft. But how did it get here? How did they bring it here?
According to what I heard.
Okay, you were not around when it came.
Okay. Mọ́tò ẹ̀ wá láti Lagos State.
So on gbégbá àárín títì.
Yes. It was popular then lórí I think Instablog or Today because the video went viral.
Oh.
From Lagos.
Wow.
The other side, just more space. We do host
Events,
parties. So
okay.
guests just bring their chairs in.
Oh, great. Let's go inside. Wow.
So let me get there.
This is the cockpit.
Yeah, but everything has moved.
Yeah. Come and show them the cockpit. Welcome on board. Welcome on board, flight 737.
Welcome on board.
What's the name of the hotel again?
Supreme
Court Airlines. I am your captain, Abiodun Koka. Wow, this is really nice. So people can actually sit here and then have like birthdays. So it will give the whole vibe of you are inside the plane, you know, having or like private jet vibe. This is really nice. This is really nice. Wow. This is so nice. So nice. Can I sit?
Sure.
This is like a business class lounge. This is amazing. And to think that this is in Oyo State, Nigeria. There's nothing like this in Abuja. I mean, I think they tried once, but I don't know, it's just an abandoned plane somewhere. And then they are not doing anything about it till now. And then in Lagos too, I'm not sure. But to think that someone in Oyo State could come up with something like this, it's really amazing. Kudos to the brain behind this. And we are proud to be Yoruba people. There you go, guys. We are in the aircraft we saw in Oyo State. Oh wow, yeah. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, so ẹ ti rí pé kò ń ṣe pé Abuja àbí Èkó nìkan ni gbogbo ẹ̀ ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ọ̀yọ́. Mi ò rò pé àwọn èèyàn lọ́yọ̀ọ́ gan mọ̀ pé irú nǹkan báyìí wà níbí báyìí. Àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ lọ́yọ̀ọ́ pé irú nǹkan báyìí wà níbí. Gbogbo mi ò rò pé àwọn èèyàn pọ̀ tó mọ̀. Torí tó yẹ pé tí irú nǹkan báyìí bá wà ní irú Abuja tèmi ti wá. Àwọn èèyàn ń jẹ́ kí ibà ẹ sinmi. Thank you very much for showing us around. Thank you so much. What's the name?
Lekon.
Lekon, ẹ máa sanwó orúkọ o. Lekon, Ọlálékan àbí Ọlálékan. Thank you very much, Mr. Lekon. Thank you so much.
Bọ́lá káǹtì ẹ lọ. Ó wá di property èèyàn kan tó ń ra fi ń ṣe business ní tiẹ̀. Ní ibi tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn ìlú kan wà, wọ́n máa tún ṣe tàbí kán tà kí ọrọ̀ ajé kó lè fi dàgbàsókè. Irọ́ ni o bíi ti Nàìjíríà kọ́. Bíi ti ṣe kí ni bíi ti Nàìjíríà kọ́. Ta la ṣẹ̀? Báwo ló ṣe rí báyìí? Ṣé bó yẹ kó rí leléyìí? Ìgbà tán tún máa wá pa gbogbo ẹ̀ kú, kò sí nǹkan. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí very dark man, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ.
Oh, someone tagged me to this video on Tunde North's page and said the founder of House on the Rock, Paul Adefarasin, pulled out a gun on a content creator. So the first thing I did, I said, are you sure? I watched the video, and to be very honest, I had to check, is it true that it is Paul Adefarasin? Now, if you look at it, you see that there's a close resemblance. So it looked like it's Paul Adefarasin. That's number one. Number two, is that actually a gun? I had to zoom in to be sure. And honestly, this looks like a pistol, which is very, very disturbing if it is a pistol. And this is where the police need to do an investigation, I beg. Well, that pistol, because I know for the fact that pistol is not legal in Nigeria. They don't give you license for pistol. They only give license for revolver. Now, this video is disturbing. If that's actually a gun, it is a very disturbing video. And why? If you go back to the video, you will notice that the car does not have a plate number. So imagine if something had gone wrong. How would they know the person that shot the boy? I don't know if you understand. Because if somebody is videoing your car and the person did not attack you, attempt to attack you, the person is even calling you boss. You can't come more peaceful. That means you say if you go through something, maybe stress. Because I don't understand why he actually had to pull out a pistol. Maybe he's going through something or he's stressed. And maybe that stress, just imagine say the stress, come make and carry that gun, shoot that boy. How they won't take no? How would they get justice for the boy? How they come? How would they get justice for that boy? Think about it now. They can't get plate number. So if they don't shoot the boy and they get police convoy, there's a police convoy or like a security close to his car. I am assuming that he is the one that is they are protecting him. So if they had, maybe he had shot the boy, one of them can come down, can carry the evidence. Or carry the boy's phone. That's all. There's no plate number and you are holding a pistol that is not legal in Nigeria. This is scary. This is very disturbing. So I want to really know, Nigerian police, when did you start giving a license for pistol in the country? And again, Dr. Paul Adefarasin, if that's truly you, you know what you did in this video is assault. Well, I will not be surprised because in 2023, you were alleged to do something like this to a bus driver, where the driver hits your car, then you came down and then you threatened the driver, you break the glass, it even injure him. I remember that news vividly. Even Instablog and some blogs in Nigeria, they carried it that period. For some reason, I don't know how that video was able to be cleared all over social media. So, okay, this is not the first time. As a pastor, it's not the first time that your name is coming up in a very weird news like this. That's number one. Number two, as a pastor, are you supposed to be carrying gun, considering what you people preach? People preach that God will protect all of us. Now don't they go carry gun? Pray for protection. God is the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the omnipresence. He will be always there.
Mo rò pé gbogbo ara ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí very dark man tó sọ. Fídíò mélòó ni mo fẹ́ gbé wá ìyá mi bá mi gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi.
Àfáà tó sọ pé ó dáa kí ẹ̀ mọ ìlọ ìjì ní pé eye ìrìn tó bá rìn èyí ẹ̀dá tí wàá ní ẹ̀ lè bìlíwù pé mo pàdé ẹ̀ nísìnyí inú bẹ́ǹsì mo ti yọ lórí burúkú rẹ̀. Kai.
All right, so I just saw a video of a young lady that was found by Kubwa Expressway, by the roadside of Kubwa Expressway. Now, the video is a little bit disturbing. Anyways, let me show you guys the video.
After NYC. Guys, Kubwa Express after NYC. If you are coming from town, it's before NYC. If you are coming from...
Apparently, according to the video, nobody seemed to know how she got to Kubwa Expressway by the roadside. They just know they found the girl. They don't know how she got there, nothing. But they saw some money beside the girl. God so kind. I was reading through the comments and then somebody recognized the girl and the person tagged the girl's handle. Then I went straight to the girl's Instagram page, right? The first thing I noticed is the account was opened 2021 and she had one former username. So the account is obviously an original account. Then I noticed that she has over 18,000 followers. Then I went straight to the bio. Now, if you read the bio, what does she do? It says book strippers and twerk bunnies for all parties. Book massage section. Book for fetish parties arrangements. Vixen and song collaboration. Darkness lover. Now, from all indication, this thing look like say she dey into one or two. But I no conclude until I went through her page and saw the kind of videos that are there. I know say a lot of people with a vex say why I blow them so that the official nyash made a smile. But that's not the topic. Now, me, I don't know what she does, but from her page, I no one judge. But like say she did into one or two knockings, all those kind of knocking. That's what I see based on what is on her bio and what is on her page. I no one judge to get, but it is what it is. Now, another thing I noticed is that the last time this girl posted was on the 9th of October 2024. So I don't know when they took this video. I don't know whether the girl still they are alive. But what do I want to say with this video? Una gas to be careful. Una gas to be careful for this internet life, this internet world. You people need to be careful. I swear to God, a lot of these young girls, I mean, look at her, very beautiful black skin girl. Very, very beautiful black skin girl. Now, all these kind of girls, the total must pink. You enjoy it. This is not the kind of girls where we say one person needs to the chop. This is not wife material. Every woman is a wife material. Do you understand? My point is this, women, you can keep yourself. A lot of men are out there that will value you. Do you understand? Peer pressure don't make a lot of our girls don't done a shower. Peer pressure. I don't know. Money, everybody just define money. And the annoying part of this money where a lot of now define. When I call lazy, they find the money. And you know the truth, if you lazy now, your total will suffer. Different style, different position. Man go knock you, woman go knock you. Woman will like to knock, woman go use, either they use cucumber or they use carrots. Or they put the food on the inside. Do you understand? But if to say you dey work, maybe you start one business, you will not rubbish yourself like this. It is rubbish. Me myself don't sell my note before, so I know it's how they tell you it is rubbish. There's no dignity in it. Sometimes you go to sleep, you go to remember one or two nonsense, or one or two things where you see where you're not supposed to see. Your brain go don't fall. Ah yeah, it's your life. It's your life. It's not my life. But I have the platform, you don't. So I can talk to you people. Do you get? Am I in the right position to advise you? Of course I am. Me self don't sell noodles before. I know the lifestyle. So now let me feel advice you. Don't worry yourself. I don't need to be older than you. Is it easy to stop? Hell no, because it's free money. Free money is sweet. What do you have to do? Even the knocking self, they will enjoy them at the end of the day. So don't be only the customer, they enjoy them. Even you self, they enjoy. So it's a win-win for you. But at the end of the day, is it really worth it? And this generation will get the highest shower for all generation of all time. This particular generation where we now get the highest shower. Different type. I say the new way now where they take the advertise a shower business. All of them now they don't start to sell underwear. for social media now. All of them they sell lingerie. Then they'll come use their body advertise them, but they know what they advertise low key. Who they buy pints? Who they buy pint and bra for him babe? Won't buy you too now. She say now only babe that pint and bra good for you. Advertise them, nobody you make them buy them. That's just the new way now. My point is this: women, respect yourself so that you will not be victims to all these type of things. Value your body. Value your body, please. Value your body. We'll see all those things. So me, I go through, I see them. You understand? I see them on the steady. Sometimes, okay, yes, we'll carry you, just tell you once, okay, we don't blow, finish. Me, I know, just do what you want to finish. But what is that? After all that one time, said you not could really get the value anymore. You understand? And so I beg, value yourself. That's all I can tell you. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, go and learn. You go learn the hardware. But again, if you still play now, Toto go still suffer. It's not mine. Bye.
ọmọ ìkéré ń jalè pásítọ̀ ń jalè àfà ń jalè babaláwo ń jalè ta ló wá kù ta la fẹ́ sábà ta la fẹ́ dúró de. àsìkò ìgbà tó bá lè pin oníkálukú á lè mójútó nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn. ẹ̀yin wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ń sìn. program tí mo ṣe before ẹ̀ lè tí Ṣeun Ọ̀kínbalóyè tàbí tó wà ní Channel TV tó ń fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tán. No, torí ẹ dìbò wọ́n máa wọlé wọ́n tẹ̀ ti wọlé. Ìbò 2017 inú yí ẹ̀yìn náà parí ẹ̀. Ìbò 2017 ó ti parí iṣẹ́ ti dójú wọ́n ti gbogbo òwe. Àyàfi tẹ́ bá gba ẹ̀yìn tẹ́yìn náà bá tún lo fast nǹkan míì. Òun ni tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìbò ti wọlé wọ́n ti gbogbo everything ti yanjú náà. Ẹ rò pé bàbá ọmọ nǹkan tó ń sọ ni tó ní tóun ò bá ṣe náà kẹ́ má dìbò fóun. Ṣóun fúnra rẹ̀ ṣe náà sínú White House? Ṣó ṣe náà sínú Aso Rock? Ṣebí nǹkan táwa náà ń lò lòun náà padà láwọn náà tún padà lọ rà sínú Aso Rock. Ṣebí tó bá tiẹ̀ wá jẹ́ wípé ó tiẹ̀ fẹ́ fi ṣe according to nǹkan tí Ṣeun sọ wípé nǹkan tó fi campaign ó ṣe nǹkan kan ó ṣe nǹkan náà ó ṣàsanwó wọ́n ti dáwó tẹ jẹ wọ́n ti dá padà. And I'm pretty sure wípé tó bá jẹ́ owó tán dá padà tán sọ wípé Nàìjíríà jẹ yẹn wọ́n sọ fún gbogbo àgbáyé wípé kún fún àwọn ní 6 months àwọn fẹ́ fi mú security wálẹ̀ táwọn ò bá mú security wálẹ̀ òun tóun wà bíbà ẹ wá yọ mí kúrò nínú yìí. Okay, wọ́n máa ní okay bó ìgbà tí dé gbogbo ọjọ́ pọ̀ àpò pọ̀ ní. Wọ́n mọ ibi tí àwọn pípù yìí wà wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fìyà jẹ àwọn ọmọ wa. Wọ́n fìyà jẹ àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ tán ọdún náà wọ́n ń sá kúrò lójoojúmọ́ sí yẹn. Ojoojúmọ́ náà fi ń sá kúrò. Ojoojúmọ́ lóníkálukú wọn ló ń fẹsẹ̀ họ ló ń ferege.
Major General Eyin Abubakar, if you find this video, the reason why they drag you be say you know they do well. When Fulani herdsmen they threaten soldier for Plateau State, you hear the issue, they report the case to your table, you not do anything. When the people of Mangu begin the attack soldier, when they attack us that very night, they think say we na armor. They don't know say we be special forces when the council waiting uncountable. You not do anything. When Fulani begin the attack villages upon villages, you they hear them, the case they enter your table, you not do anything. I look and say, this man, this GOC, wait be a mission. The villages they cry say Fulani, they attack their village, they burn their houses. You now they do contract. You are a military personnel. Wait to concern military personnel concern project. When Fulani they destroy people, they burn people's house. You are busy building school for Fulani and boyhood for Fulani. Then the villagers the verse of us say army. They know they see you now the verse of you. Then they stone us. They know they stone you. Waiting concern army work, concern political work. You know, as when I don't rubbish the army, why the insecurity not go finish for Nigeria? Una keep quiet. When the villagers they cry to our hearing, say Fulani they kill them, they burn their houses. Then you people are engaged in building school for inside bush for Fulani, building borehole for inside bush for Fulani. we go escort una, you go stay for AC. I just dey look you. You come down. The people of Jos, they crash Fulani, they kill them. Then you now they collect contract, they build boyhole for Fulani, they build school for Fulani. How they go tell like soldiers? How they go tell like the army? But no be you now. What did they pay me? No be you now that they rush. No be you now that they stone. No be you now that they cost. Now we, the laborers, we wanna don't talk to laborers. Now we, those people they stone. Now we, those people they cost. They know they cost you now. Now from there, I for hate you as an officer. How villagers go to complain of about Fulani problem, destroying their farm, killing them and burning them. Then una now come they collect contract. Now come they build school for Fulani for bush. Come they build water for Fulani for bush. And what una don't do? Una not build any rehabilitation center for the people of Jos where Fulani don't destroy their houses. But now they go about. Come they build boyhole for inside bush for Fulani. They build school for Fulani. Fulani they go school. I will stay one day. Now me when I dey here, now me enter that place. Now me with my boy, now we enter that bush. Go supervise people when they decorate that place. I see what you na right. Say military civil project. What they concern now with military civil project? What they concern now with civil work? What the politicians supposed to contract when the politicians supposed to do? Army general come to do them. Not be politicians now, they use Nigeria to the place. So now where I for hate you and I go drag you out. Now me talking. Go check that list for inside Mangu local government. Now me, my name they there. Now me be the same person. When I create that problem, now me see they talk to you so. You are a bad leader. Major General Eyi Abubakar, you are a bad leader.
Ìyá mi bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ẹ̀ta àbúrò mi, mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pa gbogbo ojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Báwo lẹ ṣe rí sí ojú wo lẹ fi wò? Ẹ bá fílẹ̀ nínú comment section. Àgbéyẹ̀wò náà ni, bọ̀ àwa wà lójú ọ̀nà. Àgbéyẹ̀wò táwa fi mọ̀ wípé a wà lójú ọ̀nà. No going back. Bọ̀ ìgbà wo ló máa jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ, èmi ò mọ̀ o. Àkókò wo ni èmi ò mọ̀, ìgbà wo ni mi ò mọ̀. Bọ̀ kí ni mo mọ̀? Mo mọ̀ wípé ó ti di dandan sẹ́ẹ̀, a máa kúrò nínú oko ẹrú. Ó ń ṣọmọ olókùú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, a máa bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó ti di dandan. Mo kẹ́yìn ìyá, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kẹ́ àbúrò, èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe yọ lọ́dọ̀ sí yín náà. Ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Òun láyé ọpẹ́, òun ló máa fi máa yọ fún èmi àti yín. No going back. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.